Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Erica and Mako, your friendly space to grow your English confidence. I'm Erica.
And I'm Mako. Hi, Erica. How are you feeling today?
Honestly, I'm a little thrilled because we're talking about something I wish someone had explained to me ages ago.
Ooh, what's that?
English has around 12 tenses, maybe even 16 if you open certain grammar books. I almost cried back then.
I know the feeling, but here's the secret. Native speakers mostly use only 5 tenses in daily life.
Exactly. And today we'll show you exactly which 5, plus how to use them naturally.
No more future perfect continuous nightmares.
None. Just real useful English. Let's get started.
Like, I drink tea every morning, or she works in a hospital. Think about it. When someone asks, "What do you do?" or "Where do you live?" you answer in simple present. It's the tense of your identity. Right. For habits and facts, use the base verb. I eat, she eats, they eat. Got it?
Number 2, present continuous. This is for what's happening right now, or around this period of your life.
Like, I am learning English right now. Perfect. Or she is sleeping. They are building a new park.
So, what's the difference between simple present and present continuous? Imagine a friend calls and asks, "What do you do?" versus, "What are you doing?"
Oh, what do you do means my job. What are you doing means right this second.
Exactly. I teach English, my job. Simple present. I am teaching a class right now, this moment. Present continuous.
And here's a bonus. Present continuous also works for future plans that are already arranged. I am meeting my friend tomorrow.
Yes, we're having dinner tonight. I'm flying to Paris next week. 1 tense, 2 jobs.
Erica, Marco, simple past. This is the storyteller's best friend.
I like that. Anytime you talk about something finished, yesterday, last week, when you were a child, use simple past.
I went to the store yesterday. She called me last night. We had a great time. Done. Finished. But irregular verbs. Go becomes went. Come becomes came. Why not goed? I feel your pain. I tell my students, irregular verbs are like old relatives. They have their own rules, and you just learn their names. That's funny. Honestly, if you learn the top 8, go, come, eat, see, buy, make, take, get, you can tell 90% of your stories. Start with those. Add more slowly. Language learning is a journey, not a race.
Erica, number 4, present perfect. This one changes everything for sounding natural.
Marco, have or has plus past participle. Like, I have visited Rome. She has tried sushi.
The key is when the exact time doesn't matter, only the experience or connection to now.
It's like a bridge between the past and the present. For example, have you ever seen a whale? They don't care if it was last year or 10 years ago.
Right. So you say, yes, I have seen one. Then if you want to add the time, switch to simple past. I saw one when I was in California.
You just explained it perfectly. Present perfect is also for recent news. The company has launched a new app. It feels fresh and relevant.
Erica, number 5, simple future with will. This is for predictions, on-the-spot decisions, and promises. It will rain tomorrow. I will call you later. Don't worry, I will help you. Clean and direct.
So how is this different from present continuous future? I'm meeting my friend tomorrow is planned in advance, but I will meet you there is decided right now.
Let me give you an example. Your phone rings. Your friend says, can you help me move on Saturday? You think for a second and say, sure, I will help you. Spontaneous, so will.
And if you already knew about it, you'd say, I'm helping you on Saturday. That's the arranged plan. Using will for everything isn't a disaster. People will understand. But knowing both makes you sound much more natural.
Erica, simple present. I drink coffee every day. Marco, present continuous. I am drinking coffee right now. Erica, simple past. I drank coffee this morning. Marco, present perfect. I have never drunk iced coffee before. Erica, simple future. I will drink coffee after our show. Now, 5 useful phrases from today. Number 1, go to, your first choice. Water is my go-to drink. 2, in progress, something happening, not finished. The meeting is in progress. 3, a bridge between, connects 2 things. Learning English is a bridge between cultures. 4, spontaneous, unplanned, quick decision. We made a spontaneous trip to the beach. 5, go through, experience or move through a process. Every learner goes through mistakes. And here's your fun challenge. Write 1 sentence about yourself using any of the 5 tenses. For example, I study English because I love meeting new people. Or, I have always wanted to visit Japan. Or, I will never stop learning. Drop your sentence in the comments. Don't worry about mistakes, share it. That's how we grow together. If this helped you, hit subscribe. We're here every day on your English journey. Keep going, keep speaking. Every sentence you say in English is a win. See you tomorrow. Take care, everyone.
Welcome back, everyone. We talked about the 5 essential tenses. Now let's fix the most common mistakes learners make with them.
And don't worry, we'll keep it fun. First mistake, mixing up simple present and present continuous.
Right. Some learners say, I am knowing the answer, or she is needing help. But verbs like know, need, want, believe don't usually take the continuous form.
So you say, I know the answer, not I am knowing. Simple present for states of mind.
Second mistake, forgetting the S for he, she, it in simple present. She work every day to she works every day.
That S is small but powerful. Third mistake, using simple past when you need present perfect. I never went to London, without a time, to I have never been to London.
Yes, if there's no specific past time word, yesterday, last week, in 2010, use present perfect for life experiences.
Fourth mistake, using will for every future situation. I will meet my friend at 6 p.m. sounds strange if you already planned it. Say, I am meeting my friend at 6 p.m. for arranged plans.
Fifth mistake, irregular past forms. I runned fast to I ran fast. She ate breakfast to she ate breakfast. Keep a small notebook of your top 20 irregular verbs.
Great fixes. Now let's see these tenses in real-life situations.
Erica, imagine you're in a job interview. The interviewer asks 3 questions. Listen to how the tenses work naturally.
Question 1. What do you do currently? Answer. I work as a graphic designer. I create social media content. Simple present for your regular job.
Question 2. What are you working on this week? Answer. I am designing a new logo for a client. Present continuous for ongoing projects.
Question 3. Have you ever managed a team? Answer. Yes, I have led a small team of 3 people. Present perfect for experience without a specific time.
Then they ask, tell me about a challenge you solved. Answer. Last year I solved a major deadline issue. Simple past for a finished past event.
And finally, where do you see yourself in 2 years? Answer. I will take on more creative leadership roles. Simple future for a prediction or goal.
5 tenses, 1 perfect interview. You don't need more.
Hi, I'm Erica. I travel a lot for work. Simple present. Habit.
Right now, I am waiting for my flight to Tokyo. It's delayed. Last month, I missed a flight because of traffic. Simple past. Story. I have never visited Japan before. Have you? Present perfect. Life experience. I will buy us coffee while we wait. Simple future. Spontaneous decision. See? You can hold a real conversation for 30 minutes using only these 5 tenses. Now imagine making a friend. You say, I study English because I love meeting people. Right now, I am improving my speaking. I started 2 years ago. I have made many mistakes, but I will never give up. That sentence is a masterpiece of simple, confident English. 5 tenses, 1 clear message.
Let's test ourselves. I'll give you a sentence with a blank. You think of the correct tense. Ready?
Number 1. Every morning she blank green tea.
Drinks. Simple present. Good. Number 2. Look, it blank outside.
Is snowing. Present continuous. Number 3. They blank the project last Friday.
Finished. Simple past. Number 4. I blank eat sushi before.
Have never eaten. Present perfect. Number 5. Don't worry. I blank those bags.
Will help. Simple future. Perfect score.
If you got all 5 right, you're ready for daily conversation. If you made one mistake, that's your new study focus.
Erica, you don't need a teacher to master these. Here are 3 simple exercises.
Exercise 1. The morning routine. Every morning, say out loud, I wake up at 7. I am drinking coffee right now. Yesterday, I walked to work. I have never been late. Tomorrow, I will call my mom.
That's all 5 tenses in 15 seconds. Do it every day for 1 week.
Exercise 2. Photo story. Look at a photo on your phone. Describe it using 3 tenses. This is my dog. He is sleeping on the sofa. He ate my shoe yesterday. I have never seen a lazier animal. I will take him for a walk soon.
Exercise 3. The question swap. Write 5 questions using each tense, then answer them. Example, what do you do? Where are you going? What did you eat? Have you been to Paris? What will you do tomorrow?
Record yourself answering. Play it back. You'll hear your own progress.
We asked our listeners what confuses them most about tenses. Here are the top 3 questions.
Question 1. When do I use present perfect instead of simple past? I always feel unsure.
Great question. Use simple past when the time is finished and specific. Use present perfect when the time is not finished or not important. I saw that movie last night. Specific time. I have seen that movie. No time given.
Question 2. Is it very bad if I use will for everything in the future?
No, it's not bad. People will understand you. But if you want to sound more natural, use present continuous for plans that are already arranged. I'm seeing the doctor at 3 p.m. sounds more fluent than I will see the doctor at 3 p.m.
Question 3. How many irregular verbs do I really need to know?
For basic conversation, about 30. For intermediate, 50 to 70. For advanced, 100 plus. But start with the top 10. Be, have, do, say, go, get, make, know, think, see. Master goes first.
One extra question from a listener. I freeze when I speak. I think about which tense to use and I stop.
That's normal. Here's the cure. Stop thinking. Focus on one word, the time word. If you hear yesterday, simple past. Now, present continuous. Every day, present simple. Ever, present perfect. Tomorrow, simple future. Let the time word guide you.
My name is Erica. I live in a small town. Every day, I walk to work. Right now, I am sitting in my favorite cafe. I am writing in my notebook. Yesterday, I visited my grandmother. She cooked soup for me. I have always loved her soup. I have never tasted anything better. Next week, I will start a new course. I will learn Spanish. I am excited. That's beautiful. Now I want you, the listener, to write your own paragraph like that. Use all 5 tenses. Write about your morning, your job, a memory, a hope. Don't worry about mistakes. Write it in the comments. We will read every one. Remember, the goal is not perfect grammar. The goal is connection. When you speak, people hear your heart, not your verb endings. You've got this. Keep showing up. Keep speaking. Every sentence is a win. See you in the next episode. Until then, be kind to yourself and keep practicing. Goodbye, everyone.